Hi, this is K. Sridhar, studied in Ashankar Institute of Technology, CSCA section. I am explaining about subject is OAD. What is UML and why use in UML? UML means Unified Modeling Language. Language express idea or methodology, modeling, describing a software system at a high level of abstraction. Unified. Unified means UML has become a world standard object management group. More description about the UML. It is a industry standard graphical language for specifying, visualizing, constructing and documenting the artifacts of software system. The UML uses mostly graphical notations to express the OO analysis and design of software objects. Simplifies the complex process of software designs. Why we use UML? Use graphical notations more clearly than natural language and code. Help acquire of overall view of the system. UML is not depend on any one language or technology. UML moves us from fragmentation to standardization. UML use of UMLs versions 2003, 2001. Easy to understand. Next one, types of UML diagrams: use case diagram, class diagram, sequence diagram, collaboration diagram, state diagram. Is only a subset of the diagrams but are most widely used. Use case diagrams. A use case diagram is a set of use cases. A use case is a model of the interaction between the external users of the software products or actors and the software product itself. More precisely, an actor is user playing a specific role, describing a set of user scenarios, capturing user requirements, contact between end user and the software developers. Next one, see the diagram: client, employees, supervisors. The diagrams low actors, a role that user plays with the respect to the system, including human users and other systems. Imitated physical objects and external system that needs some information from the current system. Use case, a set of scenarios that describing an interaction between a user and a system, including alternatives. System boundary, rectangle diagram representing a boundary between an actor and the system. Actor use case. Association, communication between an actor and a use case represented by a solid line. Generalization, relationship between an general use case and a special use case represented by line with an triangular arrow head toward into parent use case. Include, a dotted line labeled include beginning at the base use case and ending with an arrow pointing to the include use case. The include relationship occurs when a check of behavior is similar across more than one use case. Use include is a instant of copying the description of the behavior. Extend, a dotted line labeled extend with an arrow towards the base case. The extending use case may added behavior to the base use case. The base class declares extension points. Extends. Use case diagram. Tags prepare form, print tax forms. Next one, both make appointment. The request meditions include check patients recording to the subtracts. The extension points with the inside of this case pay bills. Pay bills parents use cases, bill insurance with the child use cases. Class diagram. A class diagram depicts classes and their interrelationships used for describing structure and behavior in the use cases. Provide a conceptual model of an system in terms of entities and their relationships. Used for the requirements capture end users interactions. Detailed class diagrams are used for the developers. Each class is represented by a rectangular subdivided into three compartments. Name, attributes, operators. Modifiers are used to indicate visibility of attributes and operations. Plus, it is used to denote public visibility everyone. Hash is used to denote protected visibility friends and driver derived. Minus is used to denote prevented visible no one. By default, attributes are hidden from the operations are visible. Class diagram. Account name, customer name, balance, add funds, withdraws, transfer. Operations, attributes, names. Or relationship. There are two kinds of relationships: generalization, association. Generalization means parent-child relationships. Association means student enroll in course. Association can be further classified as aggregation, composition. Over relationship, generalization. Supertypes: subtype 1, subtype 2. Customer, regular customer, loyalty customer. Inheritance is a required feature of an object. Orientation. Generalization expressed parent-child relationship among the related classes used for the abstraction details in the several layers. Represent relationship between the instance of classes. Student enroll in a course, course have students, course have exams, etc. Association has a two ends: role names, multiplicity, navigability. Association, multiplicity and roles. University, persons. See the diagram. Class diagrams. Association, model to implementation. Program, class, student to course, enrolls to course. Associations models the part-whole relationships. Compositions also model the part-whole relationship, but in addition, every part may belong to only one whole, and whole is deleted, so are the parts. Thank you.